Hi friends, good morning. This is CivTech Simplified. We are presenting a short quiz containing 5 MCQs questions, and the topic would be blasting of rocks. This subtopic is being covered under the main topic of building materials, and the correct answers would be highlighted so that you could review them effectively. Question number 1 for this quiz is: the most powerful explosive used in blasting of rocks is option A, blasting powder; option B, dynamite; option C, gun cotton; and option C, cordite. The most powerful explosive used in blasting of rocks is option C, gun cotton. Gun cotton is used for blasting of hard rocks. Question number 2. Gun cotton is made of saturating cotton with nitric acid. Option A, agree; option B, disagree. Yes, it's A option is correct, which is agree. The gun cotton is made of saturating cotton with nitric acid. Question 3. The dressing of stone is done, option A, immediately after quarrying; option B, after seasoning; option C, after 3 months of quarrying; and option D, just before building. The dressing of stone is done, option A, immediately after quarrying. A is the correct answer. Question number 4. The crushing strength of a stone depends upon. The crushing strength of a stone depends upon option A, texture; option B, specific gravity; option C, workability; option D, A and B, both A and B. So D is the correct answer. The crushing strength of the stone depends upon its texture as well as its specific gravity. Workability is not the feature upon whom the crushing of strength depends. So D is the correct answer for this question out of all these choices. Then we have question number 5. For construction of retaining walls, a stone must be used. Option A, having soft texture; option B, hard; option C, heavy. For construction of retaining walls, we need a heavy stone so that it could withstand the soil pressure. Therefore, C is the correct answer. For construction of retaining wall, a stone must be used which should be heavy. So C here is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to CivTech Simplified for future videos and stay with us on TikTok. Thank you.